How to fix touchpad not working. When your touchpad doesn't work, please check the settings or drivers as follows. Case 1. Check whether the shortcut key of the touchpad switch is touched by mistake. Case 2. Check whether the touchpad settings are enabled properly. Click the search box and then search for the touchpad. Turn on the touchpad option and leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. Case 3. Check whether the touchpad driver is abnormal. Right-click the Start icon and click Device Manager. If this device is not started, right-click the device and click Enable Device. If the device is not available in the Device Manager, please go to the Realme official website to download and install the driver. After entering the Realme website, select the laptop category, then select the appropriate model, slide down to Serial I/O touchpad, and select the appropriate system driver package to download. Extract the downloaded file. Run the uninstaller as administrator to uninstall the original driver file. This process may need to wait about 10 seconds. Then run the installer as administrator to reinstall the driver. When the Device Manager can see the device and the installation program displays pass, it means the driver is installed and the touchpad recovers normal functions. If the above methods cannot fix and solve the problem, please go to Realme Service Center for help.